Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I decided to give the peeling mask a trial and the results were amazing, even though right now they look weird, but let's do this. So I first of all started by cleaning my legs. I dipped them in warm water and just removed any dust. I did not scrub. Then this was the mask that I was going with. It was a banana foot peeling mask. So I unwrapped it, and then the inside looks like socks. So I just hand to cut. The instructions were so simple, even from the description. So I just did cut the mask like that, and they looked like socks. So then after that, this is how the inside looked like, kind of foam. And then I did wear them, the socks. Then they had that the opening part whereby you are supposed to cross it, like the way you see me doing. So you remove that paper, and then there is some gum there for wrapping the socks mask of the peeling mask, like that. So at this point I even thought, from the instruction, I thought there was some holes or something. So that is how you close or you wrap them. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. Please support my content by subscribing, like, comment, engage with my content. So after that, this was the result. The two, I looked like I was wearing papers. Then I did wear socks so as to enhance mobility and all that. So after 30-40 minutes, that is when I was to remove the socks. And when I did wear them, everything was feeling cool, except that I had some wood, and it was a little bit irritating to that wood, but everything was okay. I loved the experience because this was the first time, but I'm definitely trying it again. I loved the result after this. So after 40-30 minutes, I had to remove the mask, and this is how they were looking like. It's kind of like I had foam on the legs or something. So the instructions were, after removing the peeling mask, that you dip your legs inside warm water, which I did. So this is my warm water. So I dipped my legs, and then after that, I was done and moisturized my legs, and I was ready to move and wait for the result. So this was the following day, the first day, and my legs looked like they had wrinkles. They were looking so bad. Like, can you see that? This is how they were looking like. So they were feeling so tight and dry. Then after some time, I started noticing results, like the skin was peeling. Like, guys, if you are doing this, please make sure that you are doing it when you're not moving out to people, because you have to answer questions. What happened to your legs? What's wrong with your legs? Because they will be wondering, like, look at my legs. At some point, they were looking so horrible. Like, look at that. But finally, the last days, the peeling was a bit not so much. So it took 7 days. The seventh day, that is when I noticed that all the skin had peeled. Yeah, at this point I was still washing my legs and moisturizing them, but even after moisturizing, they felt so tight, they felt so dry. That is how I used to feel. Yeah, and they were looking horrible. Even after moisturizing, they still looked dry. So this was, I think, the 5th day. Almost everything now was coming out, and finally day And the last day after washing and moisturizing my legs, this is how they looked like, everything hand removed. The legs felt so soft and smooth, very, very smooth. I wish you try this. So bye bye until my next video.